Hello everyone and welcome to RJ Quiz Bits.
Can you guess 50 animals? Ultimate Picture Quiz Challenge. Test your animal knowledge with this challenging quiz. In today's video we learn the names of 50 wild animals by casting them. We have prepared 50 questions and you have just 10 seconds to find the answer. For each correct answer you'll get 1 point. Don't forget to comment your score. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Which animal is this? Hare, bear, wolf? It's hare. Guess this animal. It's African elephant. Can you guess the animal? It's beaver. Which animal is this? It's Royal Bengal tiger. Seal, monkey, zebra. Yes, it's seal. Guess the next animal. Yes, it's skink. Next animal. It's squirrel monkey. Do you know which animal this? It's squirrel. Do you know this next animal? Yes, it's walrus. Panther, lion, cheetah. It's lion. Let's continue. What is this animal? It's marca. Next one. It's marten. And this one, guess. It's mole. What's your guess? It's yak. Chimpanzee, wild boar, armadillo. It's wild boar. What about this animal? Yes, it's wild cat. Can you identify the animal? It's reindeer. Can you guess this animal? It's red panda. Ready for the next animal? It's wombat. Bison, raccoon, caracal. It's raccoon. You can find this one. It's rhinoceros. Guess this animal. It's hyena. Can you guess what is this animal? It's ibex. You can find this one. Yes, it's iguana. Badger, bobcat, meerkat. It's bobcat. What is this animal? It's goose. Do you know this animal? It's falcon. Guess what this animal? It's coyote. Identify the animal. It's bulbul. Deer, bull shark, and yes, it's bull shark. What is this animal? It's emperor penguin. Let's continue. Guess this animal. It's ibis. Next animal guess. It's jaguar. Guess the wild animal. Yes, it's otter. Aardvark, Komodo dragon, oryx. It's Komodo dragon. Guess what this animal is, ideas? Yes, it's owl. Guess what this animal? It's pangolin. Guess this animal. Any ideas? It's chihuahua. Can you guess the name? It's flamingo. Hawk, kangaroo, moose. It's hawk. Identify the animal name. Yes, it's jackal. What is this animal name? It's porcupine. Guess what this animal name? It's possum. Can you guess this animal name? It's puma. Rabbit, chipmunk, mongoose. It's rabbit. Can you identify the animal name? It's jellyfish. Do you know this animal name? It's flying squirrel. Which animal is this? It's guinea pig. Guess the next animal. Yes, it's hedgehog. Alligator, hippopotamus, crocodile. It's hippopotamus.
Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.